everybody, this is Karen from Waterfall Acrylics here with my daughter Chloe, who's all happy and giggly because, why?
Because I'm taller than you, even though I'm 5 foot.
Go ahead, let me see.
This thing, you know, it's hilarious.
She's up on a little stoop, so she thinks it's funny that she's taller than me. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Hell has frozen over here at Studio 205 Waterfall Acrylics because Chloe said, I want to paint with you. And I nearly fell off my chair. And so we are going to paint today. She wants to go big on a 16 by 20. I'm going to teach her how to do bloom and how to mix and all that stuff. And how to use the hair dryer, the whole 9 yards. And let's see how she does. Let me get you down. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. I am here with my daughter Chloe, who has decided she wants to paint today. So I'm all excited. Say hi, Chloe.
Hi.
And we're going to give her a lesson, and she's going big right off the bat. Put your gloves on. And we're going to paint on a 16 by 20. Chloe picked out these colors. And we have our Glidden MultiPro pillow, the base paint down. We're both like struggling to get our gloves on because these are size small. You got it on? Yeah. Good. And I'm just going to walk her through the process of putting down the colors and then putting down the cell activator and then helping her blow everything out. And we'll see what we can make just for fun, right, Chloe? Mm-hmm. All right, got your gloves on? Here, let me help you with that one. Just pull this up over your wrist. Okay. So, Chloe, you're going to grab your first color, and you're going to go left to right. So your first one is that red. The white is last. So you're going to grab some, and you're just going to pour the red right into the middle. And just pour it down. And don't worry if your hands shake. And you can do probably another spoonful if you want. So all of our colors today are fluid acrylics. And this first one is golden quinacridone red. Just gonna add a little more red. That's good. Yeah, you can smoosh it around a little. That's great. So there's color number 1. I'll take it. And then number 2 is a bright yellow. This is just primary yellow. And you put that right on top of the red. Drizzle it however you like. All right, we got some ketchup and mustard going on. Mm-hmm. Looks good. The next color is your pink. This is Da Vinci's Rose Madder quinacridone. So you put your pink on top of the yellow. Yep, you can sprinkle it all around. I'd probably do another spoonful of that one, honey. And if your hand's shaking, grab your spoon a little lower. It might help. Yeah, grab some paint. There you go. Maybe get some over in this other part over here. There you go. Very nice. And then the next color is another yellow. This is Dairy Lied. Never know how to say it. Yellow by Golden. And then sprinkle that wherever you want. Good. Maybe some over here. Just a little, just where you don't have any. Give a little sprinkle more. There you go. Beautiful. And then the last color is our darkest color. This is Utrecht Fluid Acrylics in Red Violet. Yep, that's okay. Sprinkle it all around. Get to the ears. Maybe another spoonful. The spoons are tiny. There you go. There you go. Your tremors are in full strength today, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay. It doesn't matter. I'll help you with the hair dryer. Okay. So this last one, we're going to put it straight in the middle. Do you want me to do this one? So I'm going to put the cell activator. This is just titanium white. Amsterdam. So you don't want to sprinkle this one. So we're going to put this one like this. And now we're going to use the hair dryer. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to spread this white over the colors and move everything out. Okay? And you'll get the feel of the hair dryer. So I'm going to hold your hand with you. And then once you're comfortable, I'm going to let go. And you can just blow by yourself. Okay, ready? So we're both lefties. So I'm going to come and stand on your left side. We're going to put this on cool air and high fan. And then you're going to hold it, and then I'm going to put it on, and try not to touch the buttons. Ready? And come down here. Relax your hand. Relax your hand. And go like this. I'm just going to push it out. Good. I'm going to turn it. Ready? And I'm going to let go. I'll hold on, you're shaking a little bit. Good. Two. Push that white out. Nice. 3. 2 more. 4. And 1 more. Now easy, easy. Relax, relax. You get another step. Now we're going to blow out our edges. See this edge right here? So you can take that out a little. And this edge here, see the hard line? And you turn it, and you're going to aim for that hard line and blow it out. Very nice. And 1 more, you see it up here? And then we're done. So what do you think of the colors?
I like them.
You like them?
Yeah.
Do you like them with the white, or do you think we should try the black?
Not sure.
Not sure. So the difference is this, when we spin and move this around, it's going to be kind of lighter, kind of soft and airy. See the ones up there that you like? Those have the black. You see how the black gives the contrast?
Yeah. I think that would be good in black. Don't you think that would be good?
We can do black.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it in black instead? We can leave parts of it here, and what we can do is just make up some black cell activator, and we'll put another puddle. Or you know what? We could just spin this out and see what it looks like first.
Yep.
And then if you don't like it, we'll go again. Right? Because we're just playing.
Yep.
So what do you think about all the white in the middle? Do you like that look, or do you want to like blow some more little bubble cells in it? Totally up to you. Or I could teach you how to use a pipette, and we can remove some of the white.
Remove some of it would be better, I think.
You want to remove some? All right, so this is a pipette, and you're just going to take it and you squeeze it first. And once you have it nicely, tightly squeezed, you're going to stick it into the white. And then once it's in there, you slowly release it, and it'll take out some of the white. And then you can just squeeze it on the table, okay? So give it a squeeze first. Squeeze really hard. And then go where you want it. Stick it in there and let go really easy. Now lift up a little so it has room. Oh, very good. And then pull it out. Now empty it out on the table. And you can keep doing that. And take out as much of the middle as you want. Lift up. Lift straight up. Yeah. A little more. Squeeze first. Don't forget to squeeze. Now put your pipette kind of at an angle. There you go. Now it's coming up. Good. And then let me do the last little bit for you. So we got most of it, right? Yeah. So I'm just going to take this little part here. And if you touch too hard, then it can't get the paint. So you kind of like put it at an angle. And then you can move it around like this because you want it to go up into the tube. So that, and then it's hard. I know it's hard for you when your hand's shaking. You want to lift up straight and slow. And that's actually the hardest part of all. But look, you got cute little flowers in the middle. Right? Pretty.
Yeah.
So now I think all we want to do right now is give this a spin. So you're going to spin here. You're going to go way up here and then just pull it.
Maybe that was a little too light.
A little too light. That's okay. We could stop it. And this is kind of crooked. So let me straighten this. You have to do the thing and put some muscle into it. Better. We're still opening up. It'll get bigger. It'll start going toward our edges. And we can see what it looks like. And then we can stop it and you can go again. And go way up high. And then whip it down. Better. So now let it go. So this is just a regular bloom. And then we're going to stop it. We'll stop and take a look at it and see what we'd like. Oh, it's kind of pretty, Chloe.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I'm
Or-
liking that.
You're liking
a
it?
lot. Yeah.
Think we're going to leave it these colors?
Yep.
We're going to put this one in your room because it matches your wall. This
My room,
matches your
why?
This matches your walls, I think.
Why in my room?
Because it matches your walls.
Oh.
So we still need coverage here, and I think this paint will get here, but we got a lot of blank space right here. So one thing you can do, see how the middle of the bloom is like kind of off to the side a little bit? I want you to grab the canvas right here, like this, and you're just going to tilt it that way, okay? Just pick it up, yep, and then, yep, keep going. And when you want to stop, you can stop. Wow, that looks great. You put it down, so you got it back in the middle. And then let me just grab a spoon. Well, this isn't a spoon, but you know what I mean. No, we need a spoon. Let me grab a big spoon. And we'll put a little more of the house paint on this corner, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just to make sure it gets there. So we'll just drizzle some on this, like this. So that when you go to spin now, we'll make sure our corners get covered. Okay, you want to spin some more?
Mm-hmm.
Off you go. You can talk.
It's turning out really good.
You liking
I'm
it?
really surprised because that's like
You
it's
didn't think it,
phenomenal.
you didn't think it was going to turn out that pretty? You like
Yeah.
the bright colors. So our paint, so look, we got coverage.
Mm-hmm.
We're still missing a corner here. And which way do you see the painting to be hung? Like, is that the top? Or,
Could you resin it?
yeah, I can resin it for you. That could be the top. Or you could even hang it this way. That's kind of interesting.
Yeah, it is.
I think, so one thing's, Mommy always does when I'm filming.
Considering this is my first actual time doing this,
You did amazing.
yeah, I'm so surprised how this even turned out.
So now we take this giant toothpick.
I think Daddy's gonna love this too.
Okay, so look at this. I want to show you these cells right here.
Yeah.
Those are called peacock cells. When you get a whole bunch of different colors in one little circle, you see we got the purple and then the yellow and the orange and the red.
Yeah.
These are peacock cells. And that's from the way we layered the colors.
Wow.
You like that? So now we take this and we're going to just stab it in the middle just to make sure. See how much paint is on the tip of how it's this beveled part and how it's creeping up? It's almost halfway up. That tells Mommy that there's a little too much paint left. I would like to take off this little white spot and look, there's no paint on this corner. So we need to spin like 1 or 2 more times. I'll do one and you do one. I'm going to give it a hard spin. Ready? Just gonna let it go. You see, the spinner is nice and low, so it doesn't splatter. It stays right on the table. Isn't that nice? And then we'll stop it and we'll take a look. Wow, that's really pretty, Chloe. Wow, honey.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm amazed.
You're amazed. So Chloe looks all shocked right now. She's like just staring at it with big eyes. Like, I can't believe I made that. Look how cute your middle is too.
Yeah.
And you got really nice cells in the middle. This is really, really lovely, honey, for your first one. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, we're going to do a twofer. I'm going to pause the camera. We're going to use the same colors, but this time I'm going to mix up some oxide black cell activator, and we'll try the same thing with black.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? And then you'll have a little pair.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, be right back in a second. Hey, guys, it's Karen and Chloe. We're back with the dried results. I know we said we were going to do another one, but we decided to quit while we are ahead. And what do you think of it, Chloe?
I love this one, and I think it's good colors, and I think it's the best painting.
Do you want me to resin it?
Yes.
So, yeah, you heard the lady. I never would have picked this color, so kudos to Chloe. I thought maybe she was crazy picking two yellows, you know, but man, the center of this, look at that. It is just absolutely beautiful. We're both tickled pink. So you heard her. She wants me to resin it in, I think, a gold photo frame, Chloe.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we're going to do. Thanks so much for watching us today. We had a great time together. At least I did. Did you? Yeah. So, yep, super happy. I will see you guys next week. Be well, take care, cause good trouble, and peace out from me and Chloe. Bye.